Prime Ngube. I'm the National Youth Chairman for ZAPO. This issue that we are here about, I think your employers are not taking you serious and they are not taking us serious. This is not the first time that we've been in a similar situation. We have been addressing the same problem that we are facing here today. So for us to go back and with the word that we got, the superiors in Harare are going to solve this problem, means they are not taking us serious. For today, we are not going anywhere as long as these lessons are continuing in class. Because one, we are introducing a new system that none of you know about. We are doing the day-to-day running of the hospital. And what we are getting here is shadow names and shadow system. There is a system. What kind of system that is there? A recruiter, only people from Mashonaland. Maybe from Bulawayo, but pigs from Mashonaland. What kind of system is that? So I think these people are not taking us serious. For today, since you guys don't have the powers to address us, to help us, we are going to help ourselves and shut down the school. That's all that I have to say.